guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this vlog is going to be a weekly vlog. I'll show you all the random days of my life. But what we are doing today is we are going to a temple in Majota. I am from Majota, my family is from Majota, but I live in Vasco, Goa. So टुडे इज़ द फाउंडेशन डे ऑफ अ टेम्पल, जहाँ पे मतलब एक लोकेलिटी का जो टेम्पल रहता है वहाँ पे इन गोवा यूजुअली व्हेन वी हैव द फाउंडेशन डे पूजा रहती है, देन वी हैव फूड एंड देन शाम को कुछ ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स रहते हैं जैसे बच्चों के लिए डांस कंपटीशन, फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन एंड ऑल्सो टुडे माय डैड हैज़ रिटन अ स्किट, ओके, अ प्ले. तो वो आज रहेगा एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू सी. ही इज़ मल्टी टैलेंटेड or he's also acting in it like every year. So let's go for that. I'll go for that in afternoon for food, okay, for lunch. और जो टेम्पल का खाना रहता है ना, वो is my most favorite thing. I can't explain you why, but जो टेम्पल में सर्व किया रहता है मोस्टली द गोवन फूड जो हम लोग सर्व करते हैं टेम्पल में, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी रहता है. और आई जस्ट लाइक टू हैव दैट. वेज रहता है राइट, बट इट्स डिफरेंट, इट हिट्स डिफरेंट. सो या, let's go for that and I'll show you all the temple. I'll show you all how things go and I'm excited to see my dad's play today. So one more thing, my skin, as you all can see, is not doing great these days. I don't know, it's maybe because of the heat. और यहाँ पे गोवा में इतना climate change हो रहा है. It's sunny, it's so sunny and then suddenly it's cloudy. Suddenly it feels like, you know, it might rain soon. I don't know what is going on. Global warming at its peak, guys. Apart from that, I have so many ideas to make videos for my YouTube. और मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. आई डोंट नो वाई. आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स जस्ट मी दैट आई एम फीलिंग सो लेजी एंड यू नो लीस्ट प्रोडक्टिव दीज डेज, बट आई ट्राई टू स्टे मोर कंसिस्टेंट ऑन यूट्यूब. I want to make a lot of videos regarding my skin's journey, and I had also put like a Q&A on my Instagram where you guys have asked me some questions which I will try to answer through a YouTube video. So I'm just planning, you know, I'll see that I sooner execute it and start posting videos on that. So it's the next day and right now I'm outside the High Court because I have some work here, and it's so hot in Goa. It's getting hotter day by day. Birthday boy, hi, happy birthday.
Yes, Masa.
Happy birthday.
How old are you, Aishu? How old are you?
19.
19. फिर भी बच्चों जैसी हरकतें अभी तक नहीं गई. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Vaishu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. It's been a long time since I got any chemical treatment done on my hair, and this is how they look after head bath, okay. But I am telling y'all, if y'all have a straightener at home or maybe a blow dry, then please do that instead of getting any kind of chemical treatment done on your hair. I had a very bad hair fall after getting Botox done, which I got during January or February month last year, and it actually damaged my hair quite badly. And since then I've decided to not get any kind of treatment. I have decided, okay, I'm trying not to get any kind of chemical treatment done on my hair again, because the damage it causes is worst. And you know, by God's grace, when I got smoothing, first जो मैंने treatment करवाया था ना, it was smoothing. Okay, it was not keratin, it was not botox, nothing. It was smoothing. After doing that, मेरे बालों को मतलब थे, okay, I wouldn't say कि वो बहुत healthy थे, but manageable थे और उतना hairfall नहीं हो रहा था मुझे. So I think मैंने smoothing एक 3 बार करवाया था, और लास्ट टाइम मैं जब गई थी ना, तब मुझे जो हेयर ड्रेसर थे उन्होंने बोला कि तुम बोटॉक्स करा लो इंस्टेड ऑफ स्मूथनिंग, बिकॉज मेरे बहुत सारे स्प्लिट एंड्स थे हियर, ओके, बहुत सारे, तो इसीलिए मैंने बोटॉक्स ऑप्ट किया था. बट उसके बाद जो मुझे हेयर फॉल हुआ था ना भाई, I would not recommend Botox to anyone. Like it literally damages your hair like anything. What I do is, after having head bath, I prefer to blow dry my hair and not air dry, because there are some studies which also say कि air dry करने से बाल ब्रेक होते हैं, whereas blow dry करने से वो हीट जो होती है ना, वो बाल के रूट्स पे बैठती है, and it does not cause that breakage of the hair. So first what I do is I apply a serum, okay, a good quality serum. This step is actually after giving your hair any kind of heat. I prefer to apply before. The serum which I'm using is Biolage का ये जो serum है, it's really nice. Apart from this, some other serums that I've used are, I think, of L'Oreal का जो gold color की bottle आती है ना, that is also very good serum. I have used 3-4 bottles of it before, and it's really good. Okay, it makes your hair very smooth और बहुत manageable. And then after that, I've started using this Biolage का serum. This is also very nice. And do not forget to use a heat protectant. I use this one from V Blunt, and this smells good, and it's good. Overall, it's good. Done. Yo guys, so I'm done with my work at High Court, but again I'll have to go after having lunch, and for lunch I'm having biryani from Biryani and More. If you are in Panjim and if you didn't have their biryani, bhai to kya hi kiya. It's so tasty. Every time I have it, the taste is like new to me, and it's more and more tasty each time. That's Sheru. This is Sheru, guys. The summer in Goa is getting very harsh, okay, and right now I'm going to High Court again for some work that I have. I passed out last year and I didn't know how it feels like working during the summers, but it's so tough, man. It's so tough. And this heat is killing, like literally killing. So I have bought this garland for Mama, and she loves flowers. Okay, she's crazy for flowers. So I want to see her reaction.
My favorite. Thank you.
Welcome. I have changed, and on Sunday we have a family wedding to attend, and for that I did not do shopping yet. And today I'm going for shopping finally with my mom, and I wanted something like those ready-made sarees. I'll put a picture here somewhere. Those ready-made sarees, I wanted something like that, but let's see what I find. But if I hope I find what I am looking for, because I don't want to wear lehengas or salwar and suits or anything. I've never worn such sarees before, so let's see what I find. Is on Saturday I am going on a yacht for the first time. Let's see if that plan happens or not. I'm fingers crossed. I'm hoping that it happens, because the sunsets and the yacht, it's something which I wanted to do since a very long time, and one of my friend has booked a yacht, and we will be going on Saturday. We are planning to go for Lairai Jatra, which is happening in Goa right now. If you're in Goa, I think you should definitely visit Sri Devi Lairai Jatra. It's something very unique and the best thing that happens in Goa. So I am done with my shopping and I found the prettiest ready to wear sari. I can't wait to wear it on Sunday. So we went to this one store called Haldi Kumkum, which has recently opened up near Dapolim airport. I did not find anything very interesting, but mom bought a kurta from there and two clutch. So this is the first one. Wait. Okay. And this comes with, this I bought for myself actually because mom really didn't like it. I loved it. It opens up from here, this beautiful leaf thing. So I'm gonna keep this for me. The second purse which mom chose, it looks like this, and I might keep it for me also. I recently started drinking green tea. Okay, I'm not a big fan of chai. I'm not a chai lover, so I'm sorry for that. But also I'm not sorry for that because मुझे उतनी पसंद नहीं है. मैं पहले भी पीती थी, but मैंने बीच में stop किया. If I drink, then I only drink milk tea. कभी कभी black tea also, but then मैंने stop किया because I have acidity and tea actually triggers acidity more. सो इसीलिए मैंने बंद किया था और अब रिसेंटली ना मुझे बहुत ब्लोटिंग होनी स्टार्ट हुई है, तो इसीलिए आई हैव स्टार्टेड ड्रिंकिंग ग्रीन टी and for that I bought a mug for myself. So I used to not have tea and stuff, right? So I never bought a mug for myself, neither my mom bought, but I saw this cute mug on Meesho and I bought it. So I'll show you all how it looks. Even I did not open the parcel yet. My mom's reaction is something which you all should be seeing right now. Can you just crawl and come here with the same face?
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
No.
Nice packaging. And it's so cute, bro. It's only 200 rupees. It's so cute. Now I'm going to drink my green tea in this. Tender coconut shake is, nothing can beat this one. You got what?
Tender coconut.
Cola. So good. Guys, so it's the next day and I am going on a yacht for the first time and I'm excited. It's going to be a sundowner and this is my outfit which I'll show you all later on. So let's go. I'm back from the yacht. It was such a beautiful experience. The sunset, the view, everything was so mesmerizing. I just enjoyed the time we were on the yacht. We ate, we spoke, we laughed, and we just enjoyed. It was a very, very, very nice sunset time. And now let's see what's the plan. We are going for dinner. Guys, okay, so this is after 3 or 4 days something, because in between I did not do anything special and I had nothing to show you all. But today I'm going for a family wedding and it's an evening wedding, thank God, because as I told you all, the heat is increasing like crazy. It's everywhere in India, but I think a bit lesser in Goa as compared to Delhi and all the other states. But now it's an evening wedding. The wedding is at around 6:30. Entire tension of sweating and feeling hot, the makeup going off, that's not gonna happen because it's an evening wedding. So it's gonna be a bit cool. I wouldn't say like very cool also, but like as compared to the morning to afternoon time, it's going to be better. So now I'm going to get ready. I am wearing a pre-draped sari. I was so confused about my outfit. I wanted to wear a lehenga first and then a sari, but then I thought that I would not have so much energy in the sun, in this temperature right now to manage all of that. So I thought of going for a pre-draped sari, which is like much easier than the others. So yeah, I'm going to show you all my sari. This is the color that I'm wearing tonight, and this is the blouse. It's so pretty, right? I just love it. It's the perfect sari to wear for an evening night wedding. So yeah, I am excited. Let me get ready quickly and then I'll see you all. I'll show you all how the Goan wedding looks like again. But this is our family wedding, so of course it's happening in Vedna, by the way. It's an open air hall. I mean, it's a resort, the Kesarwal Spring Resort, and yeah.
पशुपति सुतमीशं विघ्नराजं नमामि सुमुहूर्त सावधानम्
Guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. I try to show you all the 7 days of the week, what I do in my life, and some bits and pieces here and there. This is my first weekly vlog, and I'll try to post more such videos because I find it quite interesting and it's fun to shoot. Also, I love reading your comments, and I read like 2-3 comments where you all said that you all love my long videos. So I will try to post more of such long videos. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube, please, and I'll try to stay more consistent. So see you all in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye, take care.